Mutongoria wa bururi William Ruto ni atanyitwo guceera gitaru-ini kia Mount Kenya kwa nduku ithano na kuria atanyitwo kuruguria tabarira itiganite cia uthii wa nambere na umuthi kugerera mwaria wa thingira wa iregi Ruto ni aheanite mamwe ma maundu maria agukorwo akiruguria gitaru-ini giki kia Mount Kenya.
During his tour, President Ruto will launch various projects aimed at improving the quality of the lives of the people in line with the government's bottom-up economic transformation agenda. This agenda will keep on repeating and reiterating, as the President says, prioritizes bringing down the cost of living, eradicating hunger, creating jobs, expanding the tax base, improving our foreign exchange balance and promoting inclusive growth through interventions in 5 core sectors of agriculture, MSMEs, development, housing and settlement, universal health coverage, and digital superhighway and creative economy. The development tour begins tomorrow on Saturday, 5th August 2023. The President will kick off the tour in Githurai, Kiambu County, where he'll commission the Githurai Water Supply Project. The project will supply about 35,000 cubic meters of water per day to serve over 5,000 residents of Ruiru, Githurai, Mwihoko, and Kahawa, and to provide water connections to about 8,400 people. Also on Saturday, President Ruto will commission the redevelopment of Githurai Market. This comes just 3 days after the State Department of Housing and Urban Development, as you all witnessed, advertised for the construction of 72 markets across the country. The President promised to build a total of 400 markets over the next 3 years to fulfill his commitment to Mama Mboga and dignify their hustles by providing them with modern markets across the country. Later on Saturday, the head of state will commission the Kagio Water Supply Project in Kagio Town, Kirinyaga County. He will also commission the upgrade of the 42.5 kilometer Marua kwa Wambui Road.
Tukakihoka ati Iceera ria mutongoria wa bururi thiini wa gitaru kia Mount Kenya ni gukorwo ikirehe uthii wa nambere kana ni gukorwo ikirehe umithio. Riboti